And then if I come over and look at the NQ, I've got the same thing. We're right at the top of the resistance zone, 3, 4. This looks like an ending diagonal that we're getting. So I think we're getting a 1, 2, 3. We're going to pull back a bit deeper. I would like to see this low here hold at 69.65 and push up one last time. So we may get a pop and drop day today in the markets. And so we push up, hit the targets, and then start the retrace. And that retrace is going to be quite important to see it hold the right levels. Now, if I come over and look at the YM 25,870, if we can take that out before the next pullback, then that rules out a diagonal to lower in the YM. But the count off the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, then I'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need a 4, 5, and we just need a small extension in that fifth, and we're going to take that level out, which would be absolutely fantastic in the YM.